you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I, of course, am Mr. Clark Griswold. I am happy to have you guys here. If you are a first-timer, welcome. So the other day, I had one of my followers ask me to go over some of my spy plays that I entered on March 7th. I'll just go over and show you guys how you could have played spy on that day and made some big gains, okay? So let's get started. I've reversed this TradingView platform to start on the morning of March 7th. So this green bar is the last, let's go to the 30-minute chart here. This green bar is the last 30-minute bar of March 4th. Okay, so as we come into Monday, we're going to watch and see what happens. So Monday, the first bar we have on the 30-minute time frame is this. And this green line, I've put it in here for you guys. This is a 2 up, and we go 2 down, okay? And we trigger this point here for a reversal, and we're in. And what do you notice here? Hourly, daily, everything is all red. And that's one of the things that I look for when I'm in a trade. Not always, but it's one of the things that helps us decide if this trade is going to be worth us getting into, okay? If it's more probable that it's going to work out. Well, even if you took your profits here, you're over 10-15% on this play, okay? This was a big win. You're probably more than 15% on this, okay? Next bar. Again, your stop loss when you get in should be even here, okay? We didn't hit it, so now we're gone down to here. Now, there's 2 ways you can play this again. You can have your stop loss here, you can move it down, or you can just leave it here. Okay, and if you have multiple contracts and you felt like when we play this bar, look, we take our targets. And where do we take our targets? At the preceding wicks. So here, 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 and here. Is it a coincidence that this last target is where that candle ended? It's not. These are pivot points, and this is where the bulls have their stop losses. So we broke through that, okay, and we keep going. So now, again, you can keep your stop loss here, or you can move it down. Let's see what happens. Next bar, we continue to go down. So again, now you can probably move your stop loss to here, and your next one, if you'd like to keep your stops tighter, you can put it here. And at this point, again, guys, I always tell you guys, even regardless of the candles, take some profit. And if you have multiple contracts, then let a runner go, okay? And I'm going to show you what happens. Let's say we take profit here and we let a runner go. I know for a fact that at some point in here, this thing ran 150% from 291 or 276 to like 691, I think it was. So these put options ran on us on March 7th, okay? Next candle, up we go, okay? So if you're playing your stops tight, you're out of this trade. But this, guys, is a really good trade, okay? It's a really good trade. You take those every day, okay? And that trade happened within a matter of, an hour and a half, okay? Hour and 30 minutes it took for that trade to play out. And it was big money, okay? You're at 70, 80, 90% at that point already on that trade. Okay, then what happens on the next bar? We continue our downward trend. So again, if you kept your stop losses up higher and you gave yourself a little bit more wiggle room, well, you just made more money. If you left a runner on, you just made more money. And let's say you had, 5 contracts on at this point. Okay, and you sold 4, you're already in profit. okay, off of those 4, and you let that one go, that one $270 contract, if you just let it run and base it off of candlesticks and keeping your stop losses, higher up, well, you ran that thing to whatever it was, and like 300% winner, 400% winner on just that one. Okay, so think about that. 400% on $276. You're over $1,000. Okay, on one trade. So what happens on the next candlestick? We go even further. Next candlestick, we retrace up. But again, if you have your stop losses on the preceding bar, you're still in this thing. What happens next? We continue downward. We chop around a bit. Now we have an inside bar. What happens? I always tell you guys, inside bars are a powerful thing. You look at this one, we went up. We made money. You look at this one, we went below. What happens on the next candlestick? Boom, we're down lower. Made money. Made more money. Okay? Made more money. Okay, and at this point, this is the first candle of the following day. So guys, this was like a 400-500% play from here to here, and that's on the 30-minute chart. If we go to the hourly, there's no stops. You're in, and you play it all the way down. There's no stop losses there. You don't get stopped out. The smaller time frames that you go down, the more likely you are to get stopped out, okay? But that's how scalpers work. They're in and they're out of trade. So here you would have got stopped out. If we go back in this trade and you're in it for a while, all the way down to here. This is a great trade, and you finally get stopped out at 9 o'clock, an hour and a half into the trading session. Okay, Western time, anyways. And there's 3 ways you can play this. You look for reversals, inside bars, and outside bars. And they all work, on different time frames. We could go down to the 3-minute and I can show you how this stuff works. Okay, look, inside bar. And again, this is a 3-minute, so you have to be quick. But we're in, and we hit targets, and we're out. And then we have a reversal to the upside, and we're in. And we take it to targets, and we're out. Then we have a reversal here if you want to take it, and we're down, and we're out. Okay, so, we can go on a monthly chart. It doesn't matter. They work out on every single thing you want to look at. Outside bar, we take the break, we're gone, okay? And, sometimes you will get stopped out, as in this one. We came up, but again, you have exhaustion here on your broadening formation. So is it a surprise that we came back down? No, it's not. Okay, so these work on any time frames. Look, we go down to the 1-minute chart. Okay, each candlestick is 1 minute. Let me get up here. But these ones are tougher. You have to be fast on these. Inside bar, down, down, down. Reversal, up, up, up. Inside bar, then we have an outside bar where you get stopped out. Okay, and then we come back above and you would have got stopped out again. So 1 minutes obviously are harder to trade. And especially if you're playing the strat, it's a little bit tougher, okay? But they do work. And you go to the 3-minute again. Outside bar, up, up. Then we have a 2 up that finished red, and then we come tumbling down again. So, guys, there's trades available all over the place, all day, every day, obviously, except for weekends and holidays. But this is the easiest trading strategy you guys will use. And it doesn't just work on SPY. We can go to NEO. Okay, let's go take a look at NEO. Another one I trade quite often. Okay, so look at NEO. Inside bar, and we take this thing down, okay? And we don't stop. We get stopped out here, all the way down here, okay? You could have gotten on this inside bar and taken it down for profit. Reversal down, and then we have this outside bar into an inside bar. It breaks your trigger, and you're gone down, down, down all over. We can take this to the hourly to see if it works on the hourly. Outside bar, and we take it down. Then we have an inside bar. You could have got it in here. Take it down. Okay? They work all over the place. Outside bar, you would have had a small profit here. Okay, 2073 to 2060, you probably would have got stopped out on this trade. But here's the thing. You get stopped out here, and it starts coming back up on you. What do you have? A 2 down that finished green, and then you have this reversal taken all the way up. What do you have here? A 2 up, then you take this reversal, and now it gapped because it was in the morning, but all the way down. Okay, so guys, there are multiple trades on everything, and this is the easiest strategy you will use. Okay, I promise you that. So that's it. That's how we traded SPY. That's how you win on SPY. That's how you win on any stock. You play reversals, you play inside bars, and you play outside bars. And you're not going to win every trade, but you are going to win using this strategy. I promise you. So give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. I have no problem with that. Let me know why you didn't like the video. Let me know what you guys want to learn. I'll show it to you. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll get the notifications for when I send out these videos, because I do send out daily setups, weekly swings, monthly swings, and I do them all the time. Motivational videos, anything you guys need, I can send them out to you, okay? So, hope you guys have a good one. I hope this video helped you, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.